Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to CodingBot. I am Aisha from CodingBot. In this video, I am gonna show you short and sweetly how to install IntelliJ IDEA Pro ID for Windows 11. Also, you can follow up the same method for any kind of a Windows operating system. IntelliJ IDEA ID is best used for Java development. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe for our channel. Your support will be highly appreciated. Let's go to your browser and search like IntelliJ IDEA download for Windows. Now go to this website. I will put the link on the description box as well. In here you can see two versions. One is a free trial named Ultimate. Another one is free and open source named Community Edition. Click on this download button of Community Edition after selecting EXA type. Let it download. Now go to the download directory and double-click on downloaded IntelliJ IDEA EXFLA. Then it will prompt us this small verification window. Then click on Next and Next again. Then you can give the path of installation directory. I will keep the default path to Program Files folder in C drive. Check the required space and available space before installing. Click on Next. Now you can select to create desktop shortcut, update environment path, update context menu, create associators for Java, Kotlin X. Now click again on Next. Now you can choose a starter menu folder. I will keep default, one like before. Click on Install button. Now it will take some minutes to install the setup for your P. Wait some minutes. I'll skip. Now installation is success. I am not going to reboot the PC at the moment. Now go to desktop and find there is the icon of IntelliJ IDEA. If not, go to search box and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Then double click on it. You will get this screen and agree for the terms and conditions after reading it if you need. Click on Continue twice. Finally, installation is success. You will get this IDE environment. To start programming using Java, you can download Java JDK for your PTC and install it. I will put a link on the description about how to install Java JDK for Windows. Then you can go to ID settings and add Java JDK. I think this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. I am Aisha and will meet you soon in the next video. Bye for now.